Spotify enters the education market. Trump cuts AI regulations and invests billions. Students control telescopes. Google might replace teachers. OpenAI wants to control your computer. Without further delay, let's dive into this edition of EdTech News. Another big player has noticed the business potential in education. Spotify is expanding its offering by adding educational courses alongside music, podcasts and audiobooks. This feature is currently being tested in the UK but might be soon launched in the US. The courses cover topics like business, technology, lifestyle and music. Spotify is looking for ways to monetize this feature, possibly charging for access to premium courses. The company has been working to diversify its content, introducing ads in podcasts and paid audiobook listening hours. This aligns with the growing trend of educational podcasts, and Spotify's remain one of the top platforms for consuming such content. User behavior is pushing other platforms to follow this trend. TikTok, YouTube, X and Instagram are also seeing a rise in educational content. If you are thinking about creating content, free educational materials can help you build your reputation as an expert. They can also serve as a gateway to premium high-ticket courses and training programs. Speaking of education and technology, Donald Trump wasted no time. He has already revoked Joe Biden's 2023 order aimed at reducing AI-related risks. The order required AI companies to report safety test results. That requirement is now gone. Republicans had promised to fight regulations that slow down tech development, and Trump acted immediately. Will this unleash AI full potential in the US, or will it increase the risk experts warn about? One thing is certain: big changes are coming. What about the rest of the world? Export restrictions set by the Biden administration are still in place. Countries like Poland or other countries in Europe still have limited access to advanced AI chips. Will Trump change that too? But that's not all. On 21st January 2025, President Trump introduced the Stargate project, a huge AI initiative worth up to $500 billion. This joint effort by OpenAI, SoftBank, Oracle and MGX aims to build a powerful AI infrastructure in the US by 2029. Phase 1 is a $100 billion investment in cutting-edge data centers in Texas, with expansion planned for other states. Over 100,000 new jobs will be created. But not everyone is convinced. Elon Musk questions whether SoftBank even has $10 billion to contribute. Meanwhile, the White House and OpenAI CEO Sam Altman defend the project, calling it a game changer for AI. Will the Stargate project reshape AI in the US? Are we witnessing a new global tech race? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. OpenAI is recently about to launch Operator, an AI agent that can handle tasks in your web browser. Operator will help with tasks like planning trips, booking restaurants, and organizing events. However, it won't have full control. You will still need to confirm transactions. Imagine an assistant that finds the perfect flight from New York City to Maui, but won't buy the ticket without your approval. This sounds like a step towards AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, AI that functions like a human. But is it? Google and Anthropic have tried similar tech, but their bots often fail. They get stuck in loops or just start watching nature videos instead of working. Will Operator avoid these issues? OpenAI said yes, but concerns about cost and security remain. Browser-based AI assistants could be abused, spam and online manipulation are real risks. Is this the next big AI revolution or just an expensive experiment that won't last? One thing is certain: Operator is something to watch. The end of January means it's time for BED 2025, one of the world's biggest EdTech events held in London. Here are some standout innovations. SLU lets students control real telescopes and explore space, bringing astronomy to life. Zoe, a VR tool for creating virtual worlds where teachers can design interactive lessons. It enhances learning with immersive experiences, from chemical experiments to historical recreations. EdGate helps publishers adapt educational materials to different national curricula. Bookclips, a library of 2.2 million educational videos powered by AI, helping teachers find the perfect clips for their lessons. And that's just a glimpse. If you enjoy our content, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps us grow and bring you more insights from the world of education and technology. Google has started testing Learnabout, an interactive AI tutor designed to change how we learn. How does it work? Learnabout acts as a learning companion, guiding users through educational content with images, websites, videos, and interactive exercises. It can even analyze uploaded documents and images to provide personalized learning support. Integrated with Google's Gemini AI, it offers deep personalization and expert knowledge access. For now, it's only available in the US, but if tests go well, it could expand worldwide. Who is it for? Students, teachers, and anyone who wants to learn in a smarter way. It can help create quizzes, analyze educational materials, and explore topics tailored to individual needs. But will it last? Google has a habit of shutting down projects if adoption is too low. Check out killedbygoogle.com for a long list of discontinued Google tools. Thanks for watching and see you in the next edition. Stay tech educated!